Savasana with Sapta Vyahriti Mantra Dharana. Lie down on the mat with your feet slightly apart and your palms facing the ceiling. Close your eyes and take a few regular breaths. We are going to chant a few syllables and take our attention to certain parts of our bodies. Chant each syllable 3 times before you go to the next one. Chant Om Hu Hu and take your attention to the floor. Let's chant the syllable thrice. Om Hu Hu. Om Hu Hu. Om Hu Hu. Chant Om Bhuvaha and take your attention to your feet up to your knees. Let's chant the syllable thrice. Om Bhuvaha. Om Bhuvaha. Om Bhuvaha. Chant Ogum Suvaha and take your attention from your thighs all the way to your hips. Let's chant the syllable thrice. Ogum Suvaha. Ogum Suvaha. Ogum Suvaha. Chant Om Mahaha while you take your attention from your abdomen below the navel. Let's chant the syllable thrice. Om Mahaha. Om Mahaha. Om Mahaha. Chant Om Janaha while you take your attention from the upper abdomen to the chest. Let's chant the syllable thrice. Om Janaha. Om Janaha. Om Janaha. Chant Om Tapaha as you take your attention from the throat all the way to your head. Let's chant the syllable thrice. Om Tapaha. Om Tapaha. Om Tapaha. Chant Ogum Satyam while you take your attention to the space above your head. Let's chant the syllable thrice. Ogum Satyam. Ogum Satyam. Ogum Satyam. Stay in silence for a few breaths.